Not only our party, entire country is facing challenges, serious challenges. Changing challenges into opportunity is an art of politics, actually. I am very much sure that Shivakumar is well expert in that area. Challenge can be made as opportunities. There were coming periods, coming days. We know his dynamism. Here already, I don't want to repeat it. When Gujarat MLA's issue came, Rajya Sabha election came, he strongly fought for party. Karnataka election issue come, he strongly faced for party. One thing I have to tell to you about the quality of Shivakumar is his sincere loyalty towards a party is one of the best. We see in Karnataka, those who are enjoyed very much in this party, at the point of crucial time, they have left our party. There is no hesitation for them to leave the party, to leave the mother for power and other things. In that scenario, I am very much sure he faces lot of hardships. The BJP government are tried to do many, but till last minute, even though he is facing serious problem with the present government, he stood like a rock in Indian National Congress. That is one of the best quality which we have to talk about Shivakumar. Therefore, now this current era, I am very much sure that he can take the party in a successful way. He can energize our cadre throughout Karnataka. I think it is today, it is the beginning of that, because of entire Karnataka Congress people are everywhere. I am saluting all the Congress workers, those who are working very hard for the Congress. Karnataka is the strongest base. In Karnataka, Congress party has the strongest base. We all know that. Everywhere Congress party is there. If you are properly dealing with them, definitely we are going to be in a successful path. I am very much sure that from this today's beginning, Shivakumar will go in the right path for successful career in his political this is a turning point. One thing also I want to tell Mr. Shivakumar, Congress is the most democratic party. Even though Shivakumar is a strong leader of dynamism, leader of passion, leader of ideas, but only one man cannot do everything. Without the support of all the leaders, those who are experienced here, those who are young people are here, without the support, Shivakumar mission will not be successful. Therefore, first and foremost priority should be carry everybody, take the party unitedly. I know that Shivakumar, after taking off, after the announcement, he is doing that line only. Here, I am very much appreciating. You are working president also. Salim Ahmed came from an NSUI background, that fame. I am really congratulating Salim Ahmed also. He started his career as a student leader, all-time loyal to the party, work in different capacity, NSUI, Youth Congress, very soft and noble leader for Karnataka. Ishwar is being a best BCC president, best minister, he performed very well. Especially in northern Karnataka belt, Ishwar is going to be one of the best future leader of Karnataka Congress Party. Satish Jarkioli ji is one of the best leader, those who in Karnataka, especially in Mumbai, Karnataka area. What my request to Satish is that don't do concern in Belgaum only. Belgaum politics is okay. We know Belgaum politics. But travel everywhere and to make Congress party strong everywhere. If Satish can travel, then there will be a result. Definitely, there were these three working presidents along with PCC president. It is a new team. I think this team should emerge as a winning team. That is why our praise, that is what our praise, that is what we need. Here, I told you, the galaxy of leaders are here. Experienced leaders are here. Siddaramaiah ji is sitting here. I can tell. His tenure as the 5-year tenure as the Karnataka, one of the golden era of Karnataka as far as social reforms and social programs are concerned. How much program we have done? He is a leader with a passion for downtrodden and poor people. Mallikarjuna Kharge ji is here. Vast experienced leader. You can see the last 5 years how much he fought for party in the Lok Sabha. I don't want to mention everybody. Every leaders in our former PCC president, everywhere they are all well-established leader, well-experienced leader, seasoned leader. Therefore, if everybody together, join together, then definitely this PCC under the leadership of Shivakumar can do wonders in Karnataka politics. Now politics is. This point of time, I would like to mention thank you very much for my dear colleague Dinesh Gundarao, the outgoing president also. Everybody thinking that he is a softer guy. But in my experience, he is very strong. He was a very strong PCC president. I witnessed in so many occasions when our seat distribution discussions are there, ideological discussions are there. He stood very strongly for the ideology of the party. And he carried maximum people. Maybe that area is not good time. That time is not good time for us. We defeated the election. We defeated parliament election. Okay. But as a president, being a general secretary in charge, I can say that his period, he done a good job. He carried maximum workers. He given maximum importance to younger people also. Therefore, I would like to thank Mr. Dinesh Gundarao for your valuable service for the party now. Dear friends, I don't want to take much time. I know time constraints. Now the entire political scenario you know. The country is waiting for Indian National Congress. I already told you the COVID-19 pandemics are haunting us very badly. Economic situation is very bad. Border situations are, you know, Chinese incursion into Galwan Valley and Ladakh area.